Today I am going to take poem that is My Mother. So mother means we know very well. Yesterday also in 7th class also we learned I want peace. Mother Earth. Okay. Everybody knows what is the value of the mother. But here my mother, we have three stanzas. In these three stanzas different points are there. So you have to remember. If you have textbooks, you open it and what are the important points you underline it. Because this is the English language should meet the test we have to keep before you. Okay, ma? So this My Mother poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Everybody knows. We have some books also. You might have read about the Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Rabindranath Tagore. Why he written that My Mother means when he was a child, he lost his mother. He lost his mother. So he expressed his feelings by writing My Mother. So my mother, he lost his mother. I too lost my mother last year. So we know who are losing their parent, who lost the parents, they know the value of the mother. Here we are going to see why he written. What are the expressions they mentioned in the first, second, third stanza? We are going to know. My mother. I cannot remember my mother only. I cannot remember my mother only sometime in the midst of my play. Not always he didn't remember. That means he did not forget. He remembered, but not always. When you feel, when you think always mother, we won't work anything. We don't have the mind to do. So my mind is not good, like that we'll say. But here everybody remembered. But here what the first sentence, I cannot remember only sometime in the midst of my play. While I was playing, my mother, I think my mother was there. At that time I remember my mother. So when the boy was playing, when the child was playing, he remembered his mother's presence. Then next third line, a tune seems to hover over my playing things. When I was playing, I felt my mother passed away. Here, midst means the middle. In the middle, not always. In the middle, I remembered my mother when I was playing. Hover means remain in the air. Remain in the air. While I was playing, I felt my mother flown like this way. My mother passed away like that into the air. But I cannot remember, not always. Sometimes I remembered. First one when I was playing. The tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. While I was sleeping in the cradle, my mother used to sing a song. When I saw some mothers are making their children by singing the song, I remembered my mother. But not always. Whenever I saw some situations, I remembered my mother. If I go path, mother is feeding, I remember. When the mother is playing, I remember. Like that here we are going to see the situation of the mother, how the boy saying not always he remembered, but only sometime when I was playing, when I was in the cradle, how my mother make me to sleep, like that he mentioned. And second stanza, I cannot remember my mother, but when in early autumn morning, if the smell of the surely flowers floats in the air. The second stanza, first one when he was playing, he remembered. When he was in the cradle, mother made him to sleep. That I remember. And second one, I cannot remember only in the autumn season, in the winter season. I remember when my mother used to worship in the early morning, he used to go to the temple. when he used to the temple, what you will do, the Hindu, you will be keeping the flowers and something, some scent, something you are keeping. When I hear, when I got the smell, I remember my mother. As if my mother was in the temple. What? Because he got the smell of the flowers, the scent of the morning service in the temple. My mother used to go to the temple in the morning itself. That's what I remembered in the early morning, in the winter season. I got the smell of my, at that time I remembered, I cannot remember. I remember only sometime. The third stanza, I cannot remember my mother only when from my bedroom window I sent my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. What a terrible one. First one, when I was playing, I remembered my mother. And second one, when I got the smell of the flowers, I remember my mother, how my mother used to go to the temple and worship him. Then when she was worshipping, I got the smell of the scent. So at that time, but mother was not there. But at that time, in some situations, in some incidents, he remembered mother. Last one, when I was in bedroom, I opened the window. I was gazing. Gazing means looking fixedly, steady like this only, not moving like this, like this. I gazed, look at the sky. I gazed at the sky. What he observed, no? I saw my mother was spread all over the sky. I saw the imagination. I got my imagination went there. My mother is looking at me like that. He felt. And the first one, when he was playing, and second one, when mother used to go to the temple, he got the smell of the flowers. And the third one, when he opened the window, he was feeling, how my mother. But no, there is no imagination, nothing. When I thought, when I looked like this only, when I gazed, I saw the face of my mother. And sometime, but not always. So mother's love is a very great one. So when you eating, remember mother, my mother cooks very well. When you are buying anything, if my mother really, my mother will buy that one. When you go to the park, you remember your mother. My mother used to play with me like that. So when you are small child, when you are walking, not far, you are learning to walk at that time. Your mother given this little finger to walk properly. So all those things we got from our parents only. Mother is a mother. There is no comparison to anyone. So mother love we never find anywhere. But here Rabindranath Tagore written his feelings like a mother's poem. Okay, ma? Hello, understand? Okay, bye.